What's up for the squad? This is Brad, aka 2 Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, we're actually going to be going over the homie Franz's car. We're going to be going over Bandit and the changes, things that he's had done for 2021. We did a video last year. I'll put a link in the description to his car last year in case you need a refresher. But we're going to go on the things that are different, and we'll even talk a little bit about what's coming down the road as well. But he's also going to be dropping off my stock wheels that I let him borrow for a little bit. So he should be here any minute now. And of course you can hear him. Looking good. What's up? How's it going? Definitely let me know what you guys think. Fresh center caps on there and everything. Oh yeah, I forgot. Fresh exhaust. New setup. So yeah, we'll go ahead and get started. Alright, so you can see, got the fresh alignment. Looking good.
Yes.
And look at the stretch on the tires.
Yeah. The rims came from a Lexus LS430.
Nice, nice. Now, is it stretched like that on the inside too?
Stretched like that on the inside. If you look underneath, I can
Yeah. Because usually when you get
underneath here,
yeah,
it'll show you the stretch.
So yeah, yep. Yeah, usually when you have this much stretch, it has to be stretched on both sides.
Yes. Stretch all the way around.
When did you get the center caps?
I just went to start because I got Sizzle. I just went to Kissimmee.
Okay. I was like, I know I ain't seen him before.
Yeah, because that's the new color center caps that came.
Okay.
It was red and blue, and then they came out with new ones that has the teal and rose pink.
Gotcha. So far as from last year, so we got the new wheels, got the new exhaust setup.
Bag setup coming, audio.
Yep.
Bag audio setup.
So that's on the way.
New infotainment center, infotainment screen.
That's on the way.
Change, yeah.
Yep. Yeah, that's the one you showed me.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with Pioneer because I have all my aftermarket control came from Pioneer. So
Okay. Keep it, yeah.
That's gonna be switch. You will see the new banners coming soon.
Nice. So
I can't tell you which club, but if you've seen the video before,
you might know. Yeah. But yeah, so that is different from last year as well because you had a different set of stickers there.
Yes.
I'm not sure if you had the Imagine one or not.
Yeah, we did.
We did? Okay.
Yeah, we need to do a new one.
But these new pipes are definitely looking good. And of course,
the story is because I brought the pipes and I gave this ticket to Universal. It's like you see how much camber is running.
Yeah, looking real good. When you on that air, it's gonna be crazy. Definitely gonna be lower than me.
Yeah, it's gonna be.
Even when I'm aired out.
It's gonna be something.
Nice.
I'm just waiting for some more stuff from Camberwell coming. I already got the red mouthful cover, the magnets. Waiting for the magnets, dash magnet, because what I'm gonna do with the dash magnet.
Yeah.
There, so where my backside is, so that way I can just magnet that.
Just hook it up, yeah, and see it all the time. I forgot these banners are different too.
Yeah. This one came from Swerves. This is new color. It's a glitter oil stick.
Yeah, I need to get some of their stickers.
Let me know.
Yeah.
And he gave me warranty too, so say anything happen with the banner, I give you
Gotcha.
And then this magic game, I got selected when I was driving. Windshield wipers sliced one of the ends.
Gotcha.
But I have Troy No Chills credited me another banner, so it's gonna be a better. This is just a test run.
Gotcha. Yeah, I mean, it still looks good. but I see what you mean. As far as this, do we just need to redo the heart, or you want to redo the whole thing, or what?
Redo the whole thing.
Okay. Alright.
That's gonna be something.
Yeah.
And I had this for a while, and I haven't no problem with it, you know?
Oh yeah. And I still love this, like how that looks.
So I might want you to do only Nissan. I gotta see how big.
Alright, sorry, kind of ended abruptly there. Definitely had to run, but we were gonna go ahead and do a full video on the setup. We're gonna be doing an exhaust sample. Wasn't really able to do it here in the community, and I was still working at the time, so I was just on a quick little break, so we didn't really have time to really get into it. But we're gonna do a full video where we go over everything, but that's just kind of a state of where he's at right now to end the year. So yeah, if you're interested in following his build a little more closely, definitely hit him up on Instagram. I'll put a link down in the description below so you can follow him there. Yeah, especially if you have any questions, you can leave a couple comments here and there. I'll either answer what I can or have him answer what he has, but best way to hit him up is on Instagram, so definitely make sure you follow him as well. But that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. But before we end it, you know we gotta do the comment of the day. So the comment of the day goes out to, and if you would like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you go ahead and leave a comment, and we'll go ahead and randomly select somebody to be selected for comment of the day. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted.